Hello everyone, in this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can hide your TikTok videos from other people with private your account. So open your profile and select three line in the top right corner. Select settings and privacy. Select privacy, tap on it and turn on the private account and switch anyway. Alright, with the private account, only users you can follow you and watch your videos, but your existing followers won't be affected. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.